First, align bottom edge of cable return with top edge of box behind end cap and slide toward roll tube until mounting tab meets bottom of hem. Next, use holes in mounting tabs as template to mark and drill holes at each end of cable return. Then secure with self-threading flange bolts and EZ-LOC flange nuts. Place center mounting bracket, tab up at center of cable return. Mark and drill hole, then secure with self-threading flange bolt and EZ-LOC flange nut. Next, remove motor or crank handle to slide wear collar, cable return, retaining collar, and vinyl cap over roll tube. Secure wear collar and retaining collar with self-drilling screws. Then reassemble motor or crank handle to roll tube.